1960s. Yeah. And that's it at Dusseldorf in 1965.
Yeah.
Now, when I acquired this cockpit at Great Northern Railway,
we only don't do more than usually around 10 miles.
Do you have to have sort of license or certificates to run trains?
Oh, we do.
Yeah.
We get inspected. They inspect our track and our points and our axles that we use.
Since they do in the UK, you don't have a
yeah. We're a very small group. There's actually only 10 of us all together.
Yeah.
And there's 3 of us here today. So, as you can see, the growth from all this rain is phenomenal. So, we're going to have to do some more swimming out here.
I suppose this is what the Irish navigating works were like in the old days.
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
They weren't high-speed railways.
Yeah. Particularly this line, is the hauling heavy coal trains.
So Cavan Leitrim was probably the sort of most heavy duty of them.
Yeah, some of the trains were very heavy, very heavy. Last weekend I was out here cutting back trees, and I can see the growth since last week. The growth was phenomenal.
carefully.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's good.
He's very good at this YouTube business.
Oh, I must look out for that.
Yeah. I'll ask him to give you his
Great. What we do is, I'll give you the speed of 76-year-old locomotives. I'll put you in front.
Yeah, Mommy.
You made a video of that as well.
Back there.
Yeah, that's for Halloween. I'm tracking her right away here. What we're going to do is, the three of us, we get off at the far end here, and then Michael will bring the other people into the station.
Right.
So if we get off here, and we'll go for a spin on another train.